How to switch weapons in Darkest Days. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Darkest Days and want to quickly switch between your equipped weapons, then firstly, open up the Darkest Days game and make sure that you're inside the home page. Also make sure you have more than one weapon equipped or available. Now, go ahead and tap on the right corner of the screen. You'll see this little change kinda icon. Just tap on that. And from the multiple weapons available, tap on the weapon you want to switch to and you'll notice that your character has now switched the weapon. You can repeat this step every time you want to switch the weapon, and once you do that, that's how you can easily change between your weapons in Darkest Days. If the weapon does not switch, then check whether it is actually equipped and whether your current game situation allows you to change weapons. So that's how you can easily switch between your available weapons in Darkest Days. Pick the right weapon for your situation, stay prepared, and keep moving through the apocalypse. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.